I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're trying to unlock your shop on Etsy after completing verification, follow these steps to get it done. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Start by logging into your Etsy account using your credentials. Make sure you're reusing the account associated with the shop you want to unlock. Step 2. Go to Shop Manager. Once logged in, navigate to the Shop Manager. This is where you can manage all aspects of your shop. Step 3. Check verification status. In the Shop Manager, look for the Settings section and click on Info and Appearance. Here you can check your verification status. Step 4. Complete any pending verification steps. Before starting recovery, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Request Shop Unlock. After completing verification, return to the Shop Manager and find the option to request your shop unlock. Submit your request and wait for confirmation. Sometimes, it takes a little while for Etsy to process your request, so be patient. If you don't see the unlock option, double check that all verification steps are completed. Good luck with your shop, and I hope you'll be back up and running in no time.